What you are looking at right now was the entry to the corporate office of AGS Transact Technologies, a cash managing company which provides ATM services to other listed lenders. Now, remember that AGS is a company that is facing corporate insolvency and problems with its cash management. But employees are also saying that the company has now employed bouncers to protect its top brass from employees who are coming in from other states demanding their overdue payments. So this is a wider issue where employees of AGS Transact all over the country are saying that they are not being paid their dues for at least 5 to 7 months. Dues which range from anywhere between rupees 3 lakh to up to 9 lakh per employee. Now remember that these employees were promised by the chairman Goyal earlier in April, where he had said that a resolution plan for paying outstanding dues would be issued within the month. But April has come and gone and no resolution plan has been given just yet. And these are employees who are also unable to quit the company, which is a very important thing to note. Because as the company is unable to pay dues, people have just stopped showing up to work. This includes people from the HR department. Now remember, the company had around 2,500 employees and a senior level executive told us that less than 50 are now actively working for the firm. And as the HR department has cleared out, stopped showing up to work, there's no one to process resignations, there's no one to issue relieving letters, and there is no one to transfer PFs to other companies. So as an AGS employee, even if you put in your resignation, chances are it is not getting processed. So how do you then join another company? These are issues which employees all over the country for AGS Transact have echoed. We have talked to people from multiple cities and all of them are giving the same concerns. They have also issued legal notices to the company and the management, but there has been no response. Ravi Goyal has gone incommunicado and there has been no update. We have tried reaching him through texts, calls and even email, but even to us he has given no update. So even if a company fails to operate on its corporate level, remember the issue always boils down to real employees and on-ground challenges.